Sander. Welcome to my first ASMR video. I used to make ASMR videos way back in 2014 when ASMR was starting to become more popular. But unfortunately, this was during high school, so people in my school found my channel and I got really embarrassed and deleted my channel, which was a shame because it was actually doing quite well. But I've decided to come back after 10 long years, and I thought I would start off with a video that I did for my first ever video way back in 2014 when I was young. I'm now 25. I guess you could say I'm still young. So I'm going to be doing a facts video about space with explanations as well. So let's get started. Neutron stars are incredibly dense. A sugar cube-sized amount of neutron star material would weigh about 1 billion tons on Earth. Black holes can evaporate over time. Black holes lose mass through Hawking radiation, a theoretical process where virtual particles escape the event horizon. A day on Venus is longer than its year. Venus takes 243 Earth days to rotate once, but only 225 days to orbit the Sun. There is a gigantic water cloud in space. A quasar, I think I pronounced that right, a quasar 12 billion light years away contains 140 trillion times more water than the Earth's oceans. Did you know that the moon is drifting away? Earth's moon moves about 3.8 centimeters away every year, slowly affecting the Earth's rotation. Mars has the tallest volcano in the solar system. I'm really sorry about the cut. An aeroplane went over my house, so I will reread that. Mars has the tallest volcano in the solar system. The Olympus Mons is about 22 kilometers high, nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest. Jupiter's moon, Europa, may have life. Its subsurface ocean contains twice as much water as Earth's, making it a prime target for astrobiology. That's such a cool term, astrobiology. Saturn could float on water. Its average density is less than water, meaning if you had a bathtub big enough, it would float. Pluto has skies. The dwarfs planet's thin atmosphere scatters sunlight similarly to Earth, creating a blue hue. There's a gigantic hexagon on degrees Celsius. Nuclear fusion powers our star from its core. Space smells like burnt metal. Astronauts report that their suits carry a scent resembling welding fumes after spacewalks. This one's pretty obvious. You cannot hear in space. Since space is a vacuum, sound waves have no medium to travel through. A spoonful of a neutron star weighs more than Mount Everest. The extreme gravity compresses matter to incredible densities. Exoplanets outnumber stars. There are likely more planets than stars in the Milky Way, with billions of potential Earth-like worlds. That's really crazy to think about that, given the fact that the universe is constantly expanding. It's always really fascinating for me to think what other life is out there in space. I personally believe there is definitely life out there in space, but I don't believe there's humans out there. I think there's definitely some sort of living and intelligent beings, but unfortunately I don't think in our lifetime anyway we'll ever find out what there is out there in terms of life. Anyway, let's get back to the facts. Earth's atmosphere extends beyond the moon. The exosphere, the outermost layer, stretches beyond 600,000 kilometers, reaching lunar distances. A black hole's gravity warps time. Near a black hole, time slows significantly due to gravitational time dilation. Jupiter's moon, Io, is the most volcanically active. It has hundreds of volcanoes constantly erupting due to Jupiter's immense gravitational pull. Saturn's rings are disappearing. They are slowly being pulled into the planet by gravity and will vanish in about 100 million years. Dark matter and dark energy dominate the universe. Ordinary matter makes up only about 5% of the cosmos, while dark matter and dark energy make up the rest. That's insane. It's sort of like how the Earth is primarily water. The coldest place in the universe is a nebula. The Boomerang Nebula is colder than empty space at negative 272 degrees Celsius. For the American people, I'm really sorry, I don't know what that is in Fahrenheit. The largest volcano in the solar system is dormant. Olympus Mons on Mars last erupted millions of years ago. The Sun's atmosphere is actually hotter than its surface. The corona reaches temperatures of millions of degrees strong. These neutron stars have magnetic fields a quadrillion times stronger than Earth's. Some planets rain metal or glass, such as 1897333b, experience violent storms where molten glass constantly rains sideways. Did you know the moon once had active volcanoes? Evidence suggests that the moon experienced volcanic activity up to 1 billion years ago. Mars has frozen carbon dioxide at its poles. Dry ice forms seasonal caps over its polar regions. Spacecraft keeps moving indefinitely in space. Without air resistance, objects in motion stay in motion unless acted upon by gravity. The speed of light is the universe's limit. Nothing with mass can travel faster than 299,792 kilometers a second. A day on Uranus only lasts 17 whole hours. That is because it rotates on its side, creating extreme seasonal variations. A quote-unquote rogue planet exists without a star. Some planets wander the galaxy alone, not orbiting any star. The universe is expanding faster than light. Distant galaxies recede due to time expansion, making them unreachable. Venus is hotter than Mercury. Thick clouds trap heat, making Venus the hottest planet, despite Mercury being closer to the Sun. A galaxy 3.4 billion light years away is the oldest known. GN-Z11 is the most distant galaxy observed, dating back to the early universe. A supernova can outshine an entire galaxy. These explosions release more energy in weeks than the Sun does in billions of years. The Great Attractor pulls us towards it. The Milky Way is moving towards a massive, unseen gravitational anomaly. Some stars are older than the universe's estimated age. Observations of ancient stars challenge our understanding of cosmic expansion. Time works differently near a black hole. If you fell into one, you'd experience time slower than an outside observer. Saturn's moon, Titan, has lakes of methane. Nice. Unlike Earth's water-based lakes, Titans are made of liquid hydrocarbons. The Oort cloud is full of comets. This distant shell of icy objects surrounds the solar system and is a source of long-period comets. Quasars